Hi everyone, my name is Febiola Sari, a nursing student at Tanjung Pura University. Here I will teach you how to effective choke.
Effective choking is one of the correct choke method where the patient will save energy and not tire easily when expelling secretion. The goals of an effective choke: number 1, to stagnate the diaphragm. Number 2, to increase oxygenation. Number 3, to free the airway from accumulated secretion. And number 4, to reduce shortness of breath due to accumulated. Okay, next, the indication for effective choke is in patients where secretion have accumulated, as well as in patients who are going to undergo diagnostic tests, as well as in patients who have been using bronchodilators. Whereas for effective choke, contraindication is in patients with cardiovascular disorders. Okay, next, tool and materials that need to be prepared is number 1, mask, number 2, warm water, number 3, plug, and number 4, band. There are 4 effective choke training procedures, namely the pre-introduction phase where the nurse prepared herself and the tools to be used. Then enters the orientation phase, where in this phase the nurse greets the patient, introduces himself, explains the purpose of the meeting, establishes a contract, and asks for patient approval if the patient has agreed. Then enter the work phase by doing things such as number 1, washing hands and wearing masks. Number 2, put the plug on the patient's chest. Number 3, give warm water to the patient. Number 4, teach the patient to inhale 3 times from the nose and remove it through the mouth. For the third breath, ask the patient to hold the stomach, then cough and remove the secretion on the band. Next, cleaning the secretion patient mouth using a tissue. Then, enter the phase termination, where in this phase, things like the following. Number 2, evaluate the result of the action. For example, can you independently do the effective choke exercise I taught you? Number 2, tools and cleaning materials. And number 3, greetings. Example, okay my mother, excuse me, good morning, and thank you.
Well, that's all I can say about effective choke exercise. I hope the video I have provided can be of use to you. Sorry if there are mistakes, and thank you. Bye bye.